This story is about Marvin and the mango jelly. Once upon a time, in a cosy little kitchen, there lived a mischievous mouse named Marvin. Marvin had a reputation for getting himself into all sorts of trouble, and this day was no exception. It was a sunny afternoon and the kitchen was buzzing with activity. The sweet aroma of freshly baked cookies filled the air, making Marvin's tiny whiskers twitch with excitement. The cookie jar sat enticingly on the countertop, but it was guarded by Grandma Gertie. Grandma Gertie had to guard the cookie jar because if she didn't, the cookies would disappear without a trace. Marvin, determined to have a taste of something sweet, devised a clever plan. He scurried along the edge of the countertop, staying out of Grandma Gertie's sight, and made his way toward a big bowl of colourful jelly. Little did Marvin know, Grandma Gertie had just finished making the Jiggly Wiggly jelly for that evening's dessert. The bowl was filled to the top with wobbly, delicious mango jelly. Marvin, his eyes shining with excitement, couldn't resist the temptation. He hopped onto the edge of the bowl, thinking he could take a quick dip and gobble up some of the sweet jelly. But as luck would have it, his tiny paws slipped on the edge and he tumbled headfirst into the jelly. "Oh no!" squeaked Marvin as he tried to paddle his way out of the jelly bowl. But the jelly was too sticky and clung to his fur, making it even harder for him to escape. He wriggled and squirmed, creating a hilarious spectacle of a wobbling, jiggling mouse trapped in a sea of jelly. Grandma Gertie, busy at the stove, suddenly turned around at the sound of a commotion. Her eyes widened as she caught sight of Marvin's dilemma. She couldn't help but burst into laughter, her chuckles echoing through the kitchen. "Marvin, you cheeky little mouse! How did you manage to get yourself into this sticky situation?" Grandma Gertie exclaimed, wiping away tears of laughter. Marvin, still paddling and squirming, gave Grandma Gertie a sheepish grin. "Well, Grandma, you see, the cookies look so delicious, but I didn't want to bother you, so I thought I'd have a little taste of jelly instead. I guess things got a little bit wobbly." Grandma Gertie couldn't stay mad at Marvin's innocent charm. With a chuckle, she reached into the jelly bowl and gently plucked the sticky mouse out. Marvin's fur was now a vibrant shade of mango. As Grandma Gertie sat him down on the countertop, she said, "Marvin, you're quite the jelly enthusiast, but next time just give me a shout and I'll happily share some treats with you." Marvin nodded, his tiny jelly-covered face beaming with gratitude. From that day forward, Marvin became Grandma Gertie's official taste tester, ensuring that the cookies and jellies were always perfect. And so, the tale of Marvin, the loving mouse with a sweet tooth, spread far and wide, bringing laughter to all who heard it. And to this day, when you visit Grandma Gertie's kitchen, you might just catch a glimpse of the mischievous mouse, ready to take on any food adventure that comes his way. The end. Thank you for listening. And if you've enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your notifications so that you can stay up to date with our latest stories.